Hey, it's Wethu. Welcome to day 12 of my $50 to $5,000 challenge with Olymp Matix trading robot. We've been building up steadily, and today I'll show you live how the robot trades and what our results would look like at the end of the session.
Alright guys, we're back here again. So guys, this is our real account and you can see our balance is $1,058. So remember, on the last video we made 175 US dollars withdrawal, so that is why our balance is looking like this. But then we're looking to recover that today and I'll show you how. Right, so guys, today's settings, I'm going to do $20 initial amounts due to my large trading capital, you know what I'm saying. And then I'm going to stick to my AI indicator, but then as you see, we have very different strategies right here, and I've been teaching you guys on the channel and on how to use these. And if you're interested in also exploring the other indicators, you can just watch the previous videos on the channel and then you can educate yourself about it. But then I'm going to be using the AI indicator for today, and then my risk is just going to be sticking at the optimal risk because this is my sweet spot, you know what I'm saying. And then trade duration is going to be 1 minute, and I'm going to be trading the crypto composite index there. And yeah, that's gonna be it. So let me just also select it there so I can see it on the charts, and then we can start our first trade, man, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, we've already took our first trade. As you can see right there, that's a $20 trade, and let's see how it goes. First trade. As you can see right there, the first trade is gonna be a clean win. The market is just pushing nicely to our direction. The AI indicator is doing the most, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, first trade in the books, $20 trade, and yeah, that's clean. So I'm going to at least look for 300 today, you know, just to recover the withdrawal we made on the previous video and make some profits with that, you know what I'm saying. So let's just make a young 300 today. That's gonna be my target for today. And as you can see right there, that's where the profit is shown. Right, everything is going to be shown there, losses or profits. And yeah, we're going to be moving steadily, and you can see this is our first trade of today. This is the 11th of September 2025. The date is clear, so everything is going to be good. And with the second trade, as you can see, first off guys, the trade is looking amazing as well. The AI is doing the most. Everything so far is going as planned. We're actually gonna win this one. There's no way this can retrace. Looking at the momentum we're having very beautiful bullish momentum, and the robot is just taking swift positions alongside with the market momentum. That is what I like with it. Right, trades along with the momentum. Right, so second trade in the bag, we're already up $34. Okay, we took our first loss of the day. As you can see right there, we can go on those, which is at a minus $20 trade, which is still fine. We're still going to let the robot do its thing, and yeah, don't intervene, man. So as you can see now, my risk multiple is on $44 due to the fact that I'm risking $20 per trade. So this is what is gonna happen, right? So we can just recover the previous loss and make profits with that, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, we're risking 44 right now, and let's see how it goes. Right, beautiful winner there. We just took already up $51 into profit. The $40 trade was a win, and as you can see right there, we took one loss and we recovered everything in one trade. So we're also moving steadily upward into profit, so that's amazing. Let's keep on holding and watch the robot do its thing. Very beautiful guys, very beautiful. See right there, quite a beautiful trade. And yeah, man, we'll keep on holding, man. We'll keep on holding. Already up $68 into profit, almost close to 100. And yeah, that's why today I said I'm gonna be looking for 300, and I'm using a very high risk multiple, $20 per trade. So we're actually gonna hit our target faster due to the fact of the robot's consistency as well. That's not gonna be an issue. The robot is going crazy, guys. The robot is going crazy. Crypto composite index is also going nuts. We have a very beautiful momentum going on, and the robot is just catching this beautiful momentum move to the upside. As you can see, the AI indicator is just analyzing the momentum and going along with the momentum of the market at this point in time. So yeah, already up $85 and we're just close to 100, and yeah, everything's looking good so far, and that is a good start to the day. And yeah, that's amazing. And the time of the day of trading, it's 9 a.m 19 minutes past 9 Central African time. So yeah, the market is pretty much moving very volatile at this time, so that's why I like trading at this time, right? So yeah, let's go. Okay, it just took a loss there, but then we still continue, and yeah, risk multiple is increased, and let's see how this trade goes. Another win, as you can see right there, we recovered the previous loss and we made even more profits. So already up $100 in the space of like a couple of trades, and that's looking good. So yeah, that's the perks of having large capital, man. We just hold any loss and then hope for the best. Not even hoping for the best, expect the best, man. We've grown this account from $50, man, and it's been consistent, and you can see the balance now already up 1.1. so yeah, that's good. And that's a very beautiful win again. We're already up 120, and yeah, man, you see with this robot, it just catches the right momentum trades. You know, it doesn't hesitate. You just sit back and relax. There is no emotions involved. We just like, yeah, watch the AI, man. This is one of my favorite indicators. Shout out. We just took 2 losses, right? As you can see right there, this is the second loss of the day. So yeah, like in a row, but then we'll still continue holding, right? Losses are part of the game, that will happen, but then the strategy that I've selected is built in a way that even if you can have a loss, we can recover 2 losses or even 3 losses in just one trade, given you have enough trading capital buffer. Because you can see right now the robot is now risking $96 due to my risk amounts, because I chose $20. So every time the risk multiple when we lose is going to be quite big, right? But then if you're starting off with small capital, just find yourself $100 onto the optimal strategy and just risk $1 and have yourself maybe a $10 target per day, and come back the next day like that, and you'll be good. As you can see right there, we've just won that trade, right? Which took 2 losses, and then we just recovered everything in one single trade. And you can see our balance is now, our profit balance is now at $137. So let's continue holding, and yeah, man, let's reach our target for today. Alright guys, as you can see there, we just took multiple losses, 1, 2, 3, 4, and yeah, it's bad. Things aren't going as planned, you know what I'm saying? But then we'll keep on holding, and yeah, man. But then as you can see guys, we're now risking 455 due to a very high initial risk multiple. This is just going to happen if you just find yourself in a couple of losses. So I've like took 4 losses in a row, and that's the highest number of losses I've taken in a while. I usually like take 3, but then yeah, the fourth trade usually like does the best, but for now we just took 4 losses, and yeah, it's bad. And you can see my balance is on 300 right now, but then I'm not shaking, guys. I'm not shaking because we're gonna win that one. And as you can see, we're just back now, so we just like made very big profits. 300, recovering 4 losses, right? Recovering 4 losses. But then with what you can see, guys, you see when you are using a very high risk multiple, you might find yourself at risk of blowing an account. That is why you just have to start small and then do it gradually. But then with me, because I know I have a very huge capital, that is why I'm risking 20. But then moving forward, I'm just gonna stick to my 10, bro, because wow, yo, we just like, yeah, one trade when we were gonna be out of the game. Like, imagine growing the account this big. But then yeah, it's just the risk I took today. Is like, let me just like stick to 20 today, because I know how consistent the robot is, and will do good things for me, you know what I'm saying. But then yeah, man, we're already up $190, and yeah, we're still pushing for the best. But then yeah, we made some huge recovery right there, very big recovery right there, because yeah, man, it was almost going down. Today's video was almost going to end in a tragedy, but then it didn't. But then yeah, man, it's my fault anyways, you know. Using a very big risk multiple like this comes with the risk, you know what I'm saying. And I'm also using optimal, so you get to understand when you're using these strategies, it usually multiplies like to very big amounts. So yeah, just stick to little amounts, and then you can just test a risk multiple that work good for you using the demo that Olymp Matix has. As you can see right there, we do have a demo, so you can just test the one that is sweet for you. But then as you can see, man, already up $200, and we just shy away less than $100, and we'll be done with today's target. So yeah, man, it's been a ride today. Yeah, today was the most. Today was the most. But yeah, man, I think I'll come back to like $20 when they say, when I'm at 2,000 US dollars, right? I'll start using this one back again. But then in the next video, I'll just stick on the $10, man. I don't want my capital to be like strained like that. I don't like that. I just want to have a good buffer, just for the robot to breed. Even if I can get 5 losses in a row, and then nothing hectic is gonna happen, you know. So yeah, man, we're gonna win that one again. As you can see, it's moving very nicely into our direction, and it's looking good. As you can see right there, already up to 20, so less than $80 we're gonna be done. As you can see, we've just taken 4 trades, winning in a row. So yeah, recovery made. But then yeah, man, so today was the most, because you took 3 losses in a row, and then we recovered in 1 trade, and then took 4 losses in a row, and then we recovered in 1 trade. So yeah, so basically that's how the robot works. When like it's bad, you expect bad trading conditions here and there, but then just make sure you have a good trading buffer, right? Good trading buffer. That is why I am saying to you guys, I recommend $100 on optimal, and then risk 1. That's from my experience. But optimal usually requires $200. But then if you are going to like put $1 for your risk amount when you're starting the robot, you're gonna be good. You're not gonna like blow the whole thing. As you can see with me, I just took 4 losses, and that's one of the first time that has happened. But then yeah, it is what it is. The robot is designed to recover. As you can see right there, already up $240, and yeah, we're nearing our target for today, and the robot is just going nuts, man. Imagine if your trading capital was not that much big, and then you took 4 losses, and then maybe you blow, and then now when it's time to recover, you don't have trading funds because you didn't think for yourself, man. You were greedy, right? And you used a very big risk capital, and then now the robot is going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winning streak, you know. and see, I just say 6 because this one is gonna win as well. 6, and when you were out, and then you'd be like, nah, the robot doesn't work. No, it's the way you approach your settings. They were not in a way that you gave the robot a chance to breed. You didn't do that, right? You didn't give the robot a chance to breed. So what do you expect? Another one in the bag, 250, and I was just shy away like $40, and they were gonna be done for today's target. So yeah, man, today's target was pretty much massive. I don't want to lie to you guys. Today's target was massive. That is why we went with the 20. But then I just wanted to like come back to positives. So yeah, everything is looking good. So let's continue holding. Yo guys, today's conditions are not much good. I don't want to lie to you guys. We've just took 3 losses in a row again, but then we're gonna win because my trading buffer allows me to. That's the thing. I can just take 3 losses and it's no problem, and once it takes a win on here, I'm just gonna recover everything. That's nice. Sometimes I usually like I just hit targets, have minimal losses, but then today you can see that okay, we have red here and there in a row, but then we have so much big wins, but just today isn't that much good. But then imagine with the robot not having like nice conditions like that, but then still killing it. That's amazing, man. That's very much amazing. Yeah guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, that's amazing, bruh. Still killing it even in like conditions like this. Come on, bro, come on. Look, already up 275 and we're already up $1,300. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, a key takeaway you can take from this video is just having yourself a good buffer, getting the right settings. As I'm saying, what I recommend, especially just on optimal, go in $1 initial risk, $100 trading capital, and you're gonna be fine. You know what I'm saying? You can even use a lesser risk even than optimal, just to give yourself that room to breathe, not to choke the robot too much, because it's gonna be consistent one way or the other. The AI is the best indicator, so it's gonna recover for you. But then if now your trading capital, you have $50 and then you risk 1 or maybe you risk $2 initial, what do you think is gonna happen when you have 4 losses in a row? You're gonna get toasted for sure, and then you're gonna be that only one victim that doesn't make money, and you be like, it doesn't work. No, you're the one who don't work, right? You didn't do your strategy properly, and you haven't yet found your sweet spots. With me, I have. That's why I'm just chilling, bruh. I'm just chilling, and I'm shy away of 2 trades today, winning trades, and we're gonna be done. But then this is an experience that maybe some of you maybe we don't show, we just show maybe when it's good. We show everything. Yeah, man, we're trading live, right? This condition can happen to you as well when you're trading there, and you're gonna come back to this video and think, yeah, it does happen sometimes. Some days it's just gonna be click 1, 2, done. Just that today I just also have a big target, so that is why it's gonna take a little bit longer, because my target is big. $300 is my first time looking for 300 in one day, so yeah, it's gonna take a bit of some time, but then we're gonna make it still regardless. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so let's continue holding, my guy. Right guys, as you can see right there, we just killed it, and let me just stop the robot. And yeah man, as you can see, we killed that trade, and you can see 368 up. We were just shy away, up $1,050, but then we were able to make over 300 USD into profit with today's conditions. You can see the dose, man. here is what happened. And yeah, man, that's amazing. The robot did do the most today. Is there? Alright guys, so today we saw that the robot did handle the market very well. Even with small losses, the strategy stayed consistent. You know what I'm saying? This is exactly why I stick to one plan and follow it every day. Right, the robot did have rough bumps today, right? Conditions of today were pretty much scary, but then we did come out on top. You can have yourself 1, 2, 3, 4 losses in a row. We did take them, but then look at how much we came back. The robot did hold to its own, and then we came 3 losses again, we came back 2 losses, and then we came back with 2 wins. So this is the history of today. So we just had a couple of 2, 3 losses in a row, and then 1, 4 losses. But then with the wins, we had so much big wins because the wins were more than the losses. If you can count, we just killed it, guys. We killed it today, and I'm just happy I managed to push our account to $1,368. Yes sir, let's go.
So if you want guidance or want to learn more about how I trade with Olymp Matix, hit me up on Telegram. I'll share my settings and tips directly. Telegram link is in the description of the video. Day 12 done. $50 to $5,000 journey continues. Make sure to watch day 13. Things are really going to get exciting. With that said, I'd like for you to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and also click the notification bell to keep updated. With that said, guys, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Goodbye.